All right, greetings, algebra kids. So on this handout, you have graphing systems. So here are the instructions. Number one, don't panic. Number two, seriously, don't panic. Number three, we are now graphing two lines at one time. Number four, did I mention don't panic? Number five, these are in slope-intercept form. You should remember that. That is y equals mx plus b. You should all be writing that on your paper, y equals mx plus b. So we're going to label anything it's invisible stuff. You're going to figure out what b is, and then we're going to figure out the road map. All right, and we're going to do one equation at a time. Remember, don't panic. So the first thing we're going to do is number one here, and we see you've got y equals 1/3 x plus 3, and the second one is y equals negative 4/3 x minus 2. So notice there are no invisible things here in problem 1 and in problem 2. So what we're going to do is for number 1, we're going to figure out that the 3 is the b, so b equals 3. And the road map slope is 1/3. M equals 1/3. So we start here on our graph. We find 3. 1, 2, 3. And the road map tells me 1/3, which is up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. Now, I was lame and I didn't get a ruler before I started this process, so I can't draw a perfectly straight line, but I'll draw a mostly straight line. Okay, that was not so bad. It's not horrible, pretty horrible. All right, it worked out. So you all use rulers. Okay, so then for the second one. All right, so hold on, let's review. So we found the B, 3, 1, 2, 3. We found the road map, 1/3. That's up 1, right 3. And then we make the line. And you get to use a ruler. I was lame and did not get my ruler. Okay, so next one. Y equals negative 4/3 x minus 2. Okay, so there's nothing invisible, so I see something in front of the x, and I see there's a minus 2, so there's nothing invisible. The b is minus 2, and my road map is, I know you were all saying it, it's negative 4/3. Okay, so we find negative 2. Where is negative 2? There it is, 1, 2. Ooh, looks to me like we have to flip our paper upside down because I do not have room to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I don't have room to go down. So we must turn our papers upside down. All right, let's see if I can figure out how to do this. There we go. All right, so there's our negative 2. And we're going to go down 4, right 3. Down 4, right 3. Now, if you made your first line accurately, which we did, this point may be on that line. It like this one is. It might be on that line, and that's okay. And that's okay, because that's all we're doing right now today, is we're just going to graph the two lines, and in every case, I hope every case, you should be finding that the lines intersect. So there's the 2 points. We're going to, oh, not bad, Mr. Ellis. Okay. Oh, that was worse. Okay, well, we're just going to stop here. All right, so find the B, find the road map, make the line. Find the B, find the road map, make the line. And you should have a point where those two lines cross. Tomorrow, Tuesday, I mean, we're going to figure out, well, what is that point? And what does that point mean? But today, all we're doing is making the two lines. All right, we're going to do one more. This is number 2. Okay, so y equals negative 4/3 x minus 1. You know what? I'm going to do one with something invisible. So I'm going to jump down here to number 4. Okay, here's number 4. All right, so number 4, y equals negative 7x minus 4. There's an invisible 1 under that 7. And then I have y equals negative x plus 2. I'm going to just rewrite that. That's negative 1 over 1x plus 2, right? Because there's something invisible there. So that's a negative 1, and we want our slope to be a fraction. So just like that. All right, so this first one. The b is negative. You know what? All right, here, let's do this. Ooh, so we can make it all look together. Let's rewrite it. We're rewriting the top one. Y equals negative 7 over 1x minus 4. Y equals negative 7 over 1x minus 4. So the b is negative 4. And the m, the road map, the map, is negative 7 over 1. Oh, I just figured that out. M for map this whole time. All right, anyway. So m is negative 7 over 1. So the b is negative 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, well, I can't go down 7. So instead, I'm going to flip my paper around. There we go. Now I can go down 7. So, and that's 7, down 7, right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right 1. Oh, man, I got to make this line. Okay, so I can do it. It's going to be something like that. Oh, man, I drew. Okay. Good thing you all have rulers. All right. So, now we're going to do the next line. So that first one, again, negative 7 over 1x minus 4. You found the b, negative 4. And then you went down 7, although we flipped that paper upside down, right? And that's over here. Okay. Now, next line. B is 2, right? B is 2. How do I know B is 2? Because it's right there. And that's the B. And that map, oh my God, I cannot believe it's M for map. I've been calling it, my mind is blown. All right, so M is negative 1 over 1. So B is 2, 1, 2. All right, so my map is down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. I'm going to make a bunch here because I can. Oh, and hey, look, when I make this line, that point that we made before on the first line, it's going to, I bet you it's going to be right here. Oh, it is. Oh, my gosh. Okay. All right, so we make that. And so now we have 2 lines, and they intersect at this point, which we can label right there. All right, and that is the skill. So watch this video. You can watch it again and again and again as many times as you want. You can pause, you can stop, you can start. I wish I could go back to the beginning and say you can pause, because it's kind of dumb to tell you at the end of the video that you can pause it. Anyway, so enjoy the handout and the worksheet, and I will see you all on Tuesday. Goodbye.